I always knew I had this powerful message to share with the world, but it was so hard to get it out there. I had written my first book, The Conscious Parent, but barely anyone was reading it. And then one day, everything changed. I got my first call from Oprah's producers. And since then, I haven't stopped. I have written 6 books. I have been teaching conscious parenting and mindful living across the globe. And now, conscious parenting is actually a movement across the world. This gives me so much joy because I see how families are transforming. If you want to be part of the movement and you want to become a more conscious parent, a more conscious human, then come for my weekend immersive retreat called Evolve. It's in just a few weeks and I cannot wait to see you there. Join me, meet me in person, and meet my amazing community and learn how to become your greatest, most conscious self.